Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. We got a really exciting video for you guys. If you watched yesterday's video, then you know today's video is one of my favorite characters ever. It's Sally, but not just any ordinary Sally. I know Sally's already a Halloween character, but I had to just make her a little bit spookier than usual. So if you guys want to see that, keep watching. Before we jump into it, give this video a like, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications because I have videos all month long for 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. But let's just jump into it. Alright, so we're putting down the base layer of her blue skin first. Gotta powder those brows, you don't want them lifting. Gotta do her whole body. This is like the longest part. It takes so long to do this. Now we're just giving her a little highlight, make her kind of snatched, you know? And this is a cream paint too, so it blends out really easily. Now, I didn't want it to be a traditional Sally. I wanted it to be kind of a spooky one, so I'm making it look like her eye is missing, so I'm just filling that in with black. And then on her other side, I'm doing white under the eye just to make her eyes appear bigger, and when we put in the white contact, it's gonna look really great. Now I'm just priming her lid for her awesome blue eyeshadow. Just placing that. I think I was using the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. Now I'm doing her stitches a little different this time. Just making them a little more gory, kind of showing the bloody skin underneath. It is October. Now I'm just like refining the edges just to make sure it looks good. Now I'm shading around the stitches just to make them look a little more three-dimensional. Making that nose real small. Now I thought the eye looked a little bit too plain, so I'm bringing it down and we're gonna smooth it around too. Now I'm deepening the wounds and then highlighting around it. It just makes it look more three-dimensional. Now we gotta do her red lips. Then filling that in using the KVD liquid lip. Just adding a little pop of white highlight just to give her an extra little pout. And using Eldora lashes, they're my favorite, especially for Sally because she has really big eyes. And I did pop in that contact and then adding the wig. There you guys go. I did paint the chest piece and everything, but it was like kind of a lot, so I really hope you guys like it. This, I think, is my favorite version of Sally that I've ever done. So there you guys go. If you did like it, please give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. We got some exciting ones coming up, some giveaways and stuff. If you want to see the picture of this and all my other looks, check out my Instagram. I have a bunch of videos of this one and some other ones on TikTok. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support so far on 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on the next one.